Challenge Week! Woo! Woohoo! Indeed, yes. Exciting.
I don't think that's the right stream.
It's the right stream. It is the right stream.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Here they all are saying
hey.
hello from all corners.
Because there was nothing on your phone. And I was like, man.
Wasn't there?
Yeah, it didn't look like we went live, but oh well. No, we're
It has happened before, but I think we're in the right place.
Yeah.
As is everyone here. Welcome from all around the world, which is very appropriate because it is our Earth Day Challenge Week grand finale. Yay! What does that mean? It means here on Scrimper Challenge Week, we have some weeks where we have challenges. So far, we have had 2. The Valentine's one, which was a beautiful love fest of code, and now the Earth Day one. Here it is. It has been brilliant. We have had many submissions from various people. Many people, in fact, which is good because you can win prizes. Yes.
Yes. What are the prizes?
The prizes, I'm glad you asked, are cash.
Nice one.
I'm trying to find the slide with your face on it. Here we are.
No, you can skip my face.
Here's, and your thumbs. More importantly, $250. Cold hard cash. And
US dollars, by the way.
Yes.
Yes.
Just to clear that up, a one-to-one code review session with senior developer Michael.
That's me.
Here, this picture, I had to save it to make this thumbnail, and I saved it MR Thumbs. And then it looks like Mr. Thumbs. So when I see Michael now, I imagine that his name is Mr. Thumbs. Yes. You can also win a lifetime Scrimper Pro subscription. And every day this week, we've been dishing out free 1-year subscriptions, which we will also do today on top of the grand prize. Yes, it's true.
Good.
Amazing.
That's fine.
Let me know in the chat how many of the challenges you have done. There have been 5. Here they are. So hit me with the numbers. 0 to 5.
Yeah.
Let me know how it's been going for you. 5, all of them.
Whoa.
G. And Dave says you could call Pumpkin missing thumbs. But cats kind of do have thumbs.
Yeah, it's like somewhere around here.
This thing, yeah.
It's a bit strange.
Forearm thumbs.
Yeah.
Yes.
But they can't hold anything with it. No. For the better, I guess.
I guess so, yes. Oh, look at this. Anime Fan has done 5. Whee!
Wow, that's a lot of 5s.
1 from Sylvia. That's a very nice one.
Oh, that's good.
Very nice. Unfortunately, just 1. Well, 1
still good.
Is all you need to be in with a chance of winning that grand prize. Woo! First time completing them. Oh, says Patrick. Brilliant. A 0 from Dave. I'm sure Dave is doing something very exciting.
Yes. I mean, there's a lot of tribute concerts. So, yes.
Absolutely. The Heart is a beginner. I'm not sure if I'm quite ready for them yet, but hopefully in the future. Yes, that would be good. Ooh, Brian only found us 3 days ago. Well, there will be more challenge weeks in the future, so hopefully you'll get involved then. Brilliant. Ooh, Nesta, over on LinkedIn. That reminds me. Hello to the LinkedIners, and hello to the YouTubers, and hello to people watching the recording.
Yes.
Hello from the past.
Yes. I suppose with LinkedIn, it's more like, hello to Nesta.
Well, I can't actually see how many people are watching on each one.
No. Unless you comment, we can't see. So
Yeah.
yeah,
So-
if you are not Nesta and you're watching this from LinkedIn and you want us to know about it, do.
Imagine if they all watch. Well, clearly not all those many YouTubers. Yes. Code with Patrick. Oh wow, my week 3 got picked. I didn't even know. Yes, that
Week
reminds me. I think day 3.
Oh, right. Yeah, gotcha.
You can get picked for solution of the day if your solution catches our eye. Now, we're not saying these are the best because there are so many entries and we can't possibly look at them all, but there's entries that have caught our eye
Patrick, day 3.
throughout the week. Tom's pick. Here it is. Nicely responsive. No less. Look at that.
You're not sharing it.
Oh,
Whoops.
here we go.
There you go, that's yours.
Very nice indeed. And you appear on the Scrimper site.
Yes.
Here you are.
Oh, yeah.
Your name up in pixels. Brilliant. I miss the weekly challenges. It would be nice if it was challenge week every week, but I would be extremely busy.
Yes.
Is a pick equal to a win? No. It's a type of win.
It's a win in our hearts.
Indeed. The prizes are selected at random because we think that's the only fair way to do it, basically.
Yes.
And these are honourable mentions, I would call it. Yes.
Mhm.
What was the question?
What was the question?
I think it was, are you watching on LinkedIn?
Oh, right.
But I'm not sure.
Well, if you are not Nesta, then the question is to you. Yes. Because, well, thank you, Nesta, for watching us from LinkedIn.
Yes. And everyone else watching us, however you're watching us, some people might be watching us on Scrimba. Here you go.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah, that's right.
Actually, quite a lot of people do, looking at the analytics. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh, wow, that's amazing.
I know.
And now we could watch ourselves.
We could, but I think it would, explode if we did that, so let's not. Anyway, Dave has reminded me with this elephant emoji that we have a tradition here on the Scrimba live streams. That is, if you are new here, please put a bunny rabbit into the chat. If you've been before, hit me with that tiger.
Yes.
Yes, we don't use this information, it's just for fun. And then Dave puts an elephant because he's from Colchester. That's our tradition.
If you're from Colchester, please use an elephant.
Put an elephant, indeed. Michael, we should code. So,
Yes.
we have 5 challenges to choose from.
Mm-hmm.
Which one catches your eye?
Good. I don't know. Reusable cup? That sounds alright. What is it about? Have a guess.
I should warn you that let me know if this was your experience, if you've looked at all of them. I tried to make them say that they're in increasing levels of difficulty.
Ooh, well there you go. I'll pick the hardest one.
Yeah.
No, that sounds
I'd rather
great.
you hadn't. Look at this. Many bunny rabbits in the chat.
Oh, many bunny rabbits.
And
That's good.
many tigers.
Yeah, welcome everyone.
Woo! Yes, indeed. Welcome back.
Yes.
I think we should do this.
Okay.
Green point, because I made the challenges, but this was
Yes.
some time ago now. I don't actually remember the solution.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, you say that. But I do remember that the reusable cup challenge was quite difficult to make, so I don't think we should do it again.
Okay.
We will do this.
You're like, no, I don't want to write all of that HTML CSS work.
Oh no, that's already done. It's just the JS. Let me know how the music is as well today. I mean, in terms of the volume. Task.
Okay.
For each action in actions array, which is this, render a button on the page which matches the design on the slide. So we've got to make buttons like this. The buttons should show the action emoji, show the action name, and so these are some are actions which are good for the environment and some are actions which are bad. So that's with this Boolean good. If it's a good thing, then it adds 5 points to the user score, and if it's bad, it removes it. And then we should update total points in the DOM. On click.
Sounds good.
Does it?
Yeah, sounds alright.
Okay. If we finish this, then maybe we can do another one.
Sure. Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
Well, fairly straightforward.
What do we have?
Buttons container. BTNS.
Buttons container, which is this, and then the points paragraph.
Yeah.
Which is there. Yeah. And in the JS function render BTNS,
Ooh, look at that.
which actually has some
Hints.
Yeah, hints, broken up task things. Render buttons onto page, update points. So
Okay. Let's
I
get going.
left a hint here
Ooh, no, don't tell me. Don't tell me.
for each.
For each.
But you don't have to use it.
Oh, right, I see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, okay, sure.
But I don't actually remember if I did use it. But anyway, so what would be your approach to this then?
Yeah, well, just as it says over there, render buttons. Do you think you need to zoom in a little bit on the text? Or?
I do. I actually forgot that in the last stream because I had to make it.
Ooh, wow,
smaller
we
for
can
some
do this.
reason.
Nice.
Yeah. Go on then.
Yeah, but you've got the keyboard.
I know. Okay.
So the first one would be like render buttons onto the page and then update the points. Yes. So render the buttons is basically grab the array. Grab the div.
I think it might already be grabbed.
Okay.
Buttons container is the buttons.
BTNS container.
Indeed. So that's grabbed.
BTNS container. Yes.
Update the points. Maybe I'll do that first. Is that already grabbed? Points L. Yes. You can update this with points L dot text content equals blah.
Yeah.
Okay. But really, I think what we should have done is because you don't necessarily want to re-render. You have points per day. You only really want to change the number of points, don't you? So points L would always be something along the lines of total points and then points. You see where I'm going with this?
Yeah, kind of. Yeah.
And
But
then,
you need to define the points variable first.
yeah, you do.
Yeah.
Can't let.
Yeah.
Must be let. Let points equals 0 to start.
Makes sense.
Total point 0, which then means I can actually remove this in here. So then that's that on page load. Yes. Let me know if I'm doing anything wrong. I'm sure you will. I don't need to say that, Pooh. Or if you had a quicker approach.
I mean, the best way to learn on the internet is to say something wrong.
Yeah, it's not too wrong though. Anyway, so now points equals 1 just to test. Is that going to do what I want? No.
No, because you need to update the text content again.
But how?
Well, you have to, you have to re-render it.
But that was the whole point. I don't think you do have to re-render the whole thing.
Well, you've updated the points,
Yeah.
but you haven't updated the text content. But the text content has already changed.
So how do I get around that?
Yeah, so you need to do that. Yeah,
Move this.
pretty much.
But it has to be in there. So that hasn't actually solved what I was trying to do, Michael.
Well, yeah, but that's because the approach that you wanted didn't work. Yeah.
It can work, but anyway, let's not dwell on it. Okay, so rendering the buttons onto the page.
Yes.
We've got this array. Actions array. So I'm going to do for... Can I do this from memory? I equals 0. I plus plus. No, I need to do. I is.
So, like, where do you start? Where do you end?
Actions array dot length.
Yeah.
I plus plus. Console dot log. Deep. I is not defined. Oh, right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Has worked.
Beep, beep, beep.
So now we need to create an element, a button, basically.
Well, yeah. Oh, yeah. I see what you mean. Yes.
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 So create element JavaScript. HTML DOM create element.
There we go.
Inner HTML, yes. But it's a bit more convoluted than that. We're just going to do something along the lines of this.
I think you can grab the whole thing.
Yes.
Because then you need to append.
I do. So we can adapt this, I think will be nice. Const btn. Create element button btn dot inner HTML.
So that would be presumably the text.
It needs the emoji and the action name. So
probably instead of inner HTML, you can say
this, emoji text. And text. Basically.
Yeah, so you can say text content.
Yes, that's true. And then I'm going to do.
So it needs to be that actions array, right?
It does. Oh no, hold on.
Go up.
Oh yeah. Actions array. I.
Yep. And then you drag
whatever we want.
Oh, there you go. You already.
The emoji.
What fills it? Yeah. And then what space?
And then what? This with the name.
You need to remove one. You need to remove one backtick because there's an extra one. Yeah, there we are.
No, we probably have null.
That's okay. So instead of my div, we probably want.
No. It's buttons container.
Yeah. So we can just say append. So remove that get element completely because we already grabbed it. So just buttons container dot append child.
Yes.
Yeah.
And actually, no, you could just do it in there. I mean, really, we could do that because we don't need it anywhere else, do we? Is there any benefit to that?
Benefit to what?
Instead of having it up here, we can just grab this.
That's points.
Oh.
You're grabbing points. I suppose not really, but
Because we don't really need it in a variable, I don't think. We'll find out soon. Ooh,
No, I guess
we have buttons.
Yeah.
Good. Ooh, Nacho's here. Hello.
Hey.
Woo! Bill pointed out the thing I always forget, which is declaring it. So did Dave. Yes. Woo. You would need something to run your function again. That is a good point. Maybe that was the issue. We will return to this thought very soon. Okay. So we have buttons, but they don't have any style. I think we can style them in here. That would be nice, wouldn't it?
If you want.
They should look like this. Actually, what was in the CSS? Oh.
I'll probably style it in CSS to be honest, but it's easier.
There is button styling in here.
Oh, well, there we go.
We need to apply it, don't we?
Perfect.
But that's easy.
Yes.
When to do it? I guess before we go on here. So btn dot style. No. Dot class name.
Class list.
Yes. What is class name then? Anyway. No. Dot add button. btn.
Woohoo.
We have buttons.
Oh, there we are.
Look at them go.
Nice.
Yeah. So
That looks.
this. Spot on. But now we need to add 5 points if it's good and take away 5 points if it's bad.
Awesome.
So render buttons is done.
Yes.
Updating points is the next part. So I reckon we need a function for that. Update points.
Okay.
You seem doubtful.
Where are you going with it? Function.
When you click the button, it either adds or removes 5 points. Is where I'm going.
Oh, I see. Sure. Because you're writing a function in the function.
No, I don't want to do that. That's
I mean, you can.
I could. No, I don't want to do that. It
No,
should be here.
Okay.
Yes. Good.
Oh, and then your plan is to add it as a listener to a button.
Yes. I think that sounds good, don't you?
Yeah, sounds good. Good. I was like, no, didn't know that you learn closures and stuff, but wasn't sure.
Yeah. So that is that function, and now we have our update points function. So we need to add onto these.
Yes.
Actually,
One.
I read somewhere something about if you want to add an event listener to a group of buttons, you can just add it to the container.
What?
You don't think that's true?
I don't know. It could. I've never heard of it,
No.
but it might be true.
Dennis says, benefit of having the container defined at the top is that you don't have to traverse the DOM more than once to find it. Your for loop does it multiple times, apparently. Well, in that case, I think we should move this back.
Yeah, just do.
Buttons container. No,
Buttons.
buttons container.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for the clarification, Dennis. Hopefully it all still works. Yes, it does. Why don't you use for each instead?
You can.
Just habit, really.
Yeah.
Yes. Anyway, adding event listener to a group of buttons. Add event listener to multiple elements. How to add event listener to multiple elements? In JavaScript. Query selector my add event listener.
Using a loop. Yeah. That's what I was thinking about. But looks like, is there another one?
So like this, basically.
Yeah. I was thinking about doing that, but you're saying that there is something else.
Well, no, this is just something I read on Twitter and thought, oh, that's
Yeah.
interesting, but I'm using event bubbling.
Using event bubbling. Oh, right, I see. So you basically add an event listener. Yeah, well, that's what it would be. You have it on the container.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, right, yeah. But I don't like it, so let's not do it. We'll add it here. Render buttons, I guess. But where? At the start?
Because if you add it on the container, you will then have to know which button was clicked and then react to that.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking about.
If you add the event on the button itself, you can then make the button update the points and stuff.
Okay, good. Oh, look, no, hang on. Something's gone horribly wrong here, Michael.
What has gone horribly wrong?
What's gone horribly wrong is that we've got this inside render buttons, which we don't want, do we? That should be outside.
You can probably delete your points update.
Yeah.
And then you probably want to points L. You want to probably update points in update points function.
Yeah, but we also, well, yeah, could put it in there and then have that running on page load.
Yes.
Although maybe you don't need it on page load, actually. Maybe not, because you would start with none. So I think we'll go that.
Yeah, doesn't matter.
I just put it in the line after where you add the btn class.
Yes.
Good. Add the event listener inside your render function. You already declared the variable.
Correct. Yep. That's good.
All right then. Will do. Thank you for the help. So,
You just want the bit that says
this
item.
bit basically.
Yeah, you just want that bit.
Yeah. Like
Yeah.
btn dot add event listener. Click.
Yeah, click. Sounds good.
And then that's going to run update points. So we don't need this.
Yeah.
Console.log. Yay! Yeah, babes.
Yeah, sounds good. So now in update point, you want to know, well, you can update your points. You can say points plus equals 5. Well, just to see what's up.
Yep. Plus equals. It's just plus, isn't it? Oh, no, it isn't. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's like, update points by 5.
Yeah. Yes, otherwise it would always be 5.
Yeah,
Good.
cool. So now,
Woo! Yay!
but now we need to decide if it's a good thing or a bad thing.
We do.
Cool.
And to do that, conditional.
Yes. But you need to pass what's the item actually is.
Let's clean these. You mean like this?
So you have, every time we're iterating what the item is. So we see an object and it says good is false or good is true. So basically in update points we can say if, what was it called? Action. So if action not good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so if action is good, then we say points plus equal, else points That's equal. Right. But now the problem is that we need to pass the action here. Right, so it needs to be an argument. And so now when we're at an event listener, we need to pass it along into this.
Okay.
So I think is something like it's literally like this. Hit point action.
Really?
Okay. Nice 5.
Looking good.
No, hang on, it's not. To train, that's bad.
Okay. Not that then.
I don't think it passed the action. So basically, action. This was undefined, so just go into minus. So
But what is action, Michael? Is trusted true.
Eh?
What is action?
Oh yeah, you're right. Oh, of course. It should be.
It was never
Yeah, of course.
defined.
Yes. Actions. Array. Fine. That's all. Right?
You still need to tell it that it needs to look at good, I think. So dot good, maybe?
Yeah. So I want to. Whoops. Sorry. Function. Action. I always forget this syntax. Anyway, pass argument to event listener. Yeah, I should put. See, I was here before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gotta love how your browser tells you that.
Yeah. Yeah, no, not this one. Was it here before? I don't remember reading this.
Probably I was there before when making this.
Oh, it's just so function and then argument. Okay, there we go. So function and then action array. There we go. So I and I want to pass that in. Cool. So took a train. +5. Woo!
Yes.
Lights on. Oh, left lights on. Okay, that's -5. Fair enough.
Left car running while ducks cross the road. -5.
Yeah. I mean, what you? Oh, right. You turn the engine on. Right. I see. Yeah. We don't have ducks in Wales. We have sheep.
Okay.
Took train. Whoa, recycled paper and bought second-hand. Whoa, here we are. Awesome.
So we have basically done the challenge. But what we could do is make it so that the good ones are red and the good ones are green and the bad ones are red.
Yes.
With these classes, button good, button bad.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So probably something similar along with it. Actually, I think it's easier.
Probably style, depending on.
Button.classlist.add. I think in here we would have if and actions array I not good.
Mm-hmm.
Button dot class list dot add. You've guessed it. Button good.
Button good.
Give it a go. Yes! Way green buttons!
You already.
Okay.
You already styled it.
I did.
Oh, that's nice.
What we could do actually is add button good to all of them.
Ooh.
And then If I say good,
So
not equals good.
so you can do you just put the exclamation mark
Oh,
in
right,
front.
yeah. Like, with this?
Yeah.
Bad and bad.
No space.
Ooh, ah.
Ooh,
Yes, one of Britain's only Eurovision wins.
Really?
Gina G.
Oh, nice.
Amazing. Actually, I think you can just do that. No, you cannot just do that. That's a
No
shame.
space? Yeah. No. What does that say? Failed to execute add.
It apparently can't add more than one.
Oh, comma? No, as in, sorry, BTN, yeah, like that.
Yes!
You can do that.
Wait! Excellent.
Nice.
I've been seeing a lot of purple Google links lately. Definitely.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, we could have done this. Interesting.
Oh yeah, an arrow function. Yes, you can.
Oh, probably need an event listener. Well, we've done it, I think. Yes, you can set the class. You can set the class attribute. Yeah, set attribute and then class. I did wonder the other day if there's any benefit to doing that instead of class list.add. So, great! Yes, indeed.
Nice.
Okay, all crumbs. We don't have much time. So I think what we should do is go to another challenge. Not the coffee one. Let's do Earth Parent.
Both poem.
There's Mr. Thumbs again.
Yeah, I'm very conscious of now doing this. Because Mr. Thumbs.
Mr. Thumbs. If we get a third cat, we should call him Mr. Thumbs.
No, we shouldn't.
No, I want to call him Neil. Anyway.
Oh, that's such a funny name for a cat. But then people are called Neil. You
Yeah,
know?
well, vegetables are called pumpkin, so, you know.
Well,
People are called Kitty.
are they?
Yeah,
Really?
my grandma was called Kitty.
Yeah, but that's a nickname. It didn't say it's in her passport.
No, it didn't.
Yeah.
Anyway, task. Changing only the existing object. Complete the poem and render it on the page. This is what we got to render. This is what we have.
Oh, I see. Interesting. Clever. Yeah, that's quite nice. It's kind of like a little bit of object-oriented, you know, learning a little bit of object-oriented.
Do you?
Yeah, because it's like, you know, you teach that there is an object and, you know, properties can be functions, you know. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Why not?
Sentence function.
Sentence function.
So what do we actually have?
Not much.
Paragraph with an ID of parent.
Mm-hmm.
So we need to grab it, or maybe not.
I mean, you can if you want. Yeah, why not?
I think we have to.
Yeah.
Otherwise, how will it get in there?
Yeah. Let's go.
Okay, Michael. Here?
I mean,
I can't.
I think you call it once, so it doesn't matter where you.
Document. Get element by ID. Oh man. Oh. I don't trust that. Console.log. Oh. Okay, it did work. Text content equals. How do you run it though?
Yeah, dot sentence, and then you call it. Right. Yeah.
So now we're gonna do something like this, but we're gonna do, oh, no.
So do you do like this dot color dot one? Sorry, color one?
Yes. Color 1. And then like this, color 2.
Yeah. So basically, it's kind of like a challenge that teaches people how to use objects and this. Yeah, pretty good, pretty good.
This dot adjective.
Keep the earth. I see. Keep the what?
Michael, it says it on line 1. Planet.
Keep the planet. Keep the earth clean for me and you. Wow, okay. Forests are green, oceans are blue. Keep the earth clean for me and you. Oh, for me and for you.
Stretch goal. Render the most suitable emoji from the emojis array in the object somewhere in the poem. Okay. Then I will do this dot emojis. And I want to do emojis dot length -1. I want this horse.
So it should be -2.
Yes.
But you need to access it. So you want to say this dot emojis and then square bracket. Yeah, and then you say, well, yeah, but this dot emojis dot. Yeah, so you have to access.
Dot length.
No, this dot emojis, because you still have to get to like access. It's still on the same object. Yeah.
Yes! Come on! How many cats do you have? I have 1. 11.
11.
Whoa.
Is this 11 or a binary joke? It's 4. 4, it's a relatively reasonable number of cats, but
I think 11 is reasonable.
I think you should stop on 2. We have 2 cats.
No.
You should stop on 2, maybe 3.
We're never gonna stop. Never.
I mean, I'm not a fan of like number 4 or number 6. I don't know why. But it's like, I feel like, 2, 3. I suppose what I like is like prime numbers. Yeah?
It's 11.
5, 7.
11 is a prime number.
Yes, but 11 is a bit too high prime number for cats.
That's 3 in binary, Michael, says Dave.
Is it? I mean, 0, 0. Oh yeah, it is 3.
I like that you litter the code with these semicolons because I do the same thing. I actually usually remove semicolons from JS, but with some copying, a few have correct.
Yeah.
Anyway, we have added the horse.
Binary. I love how Dave calculates it quickly. Yes. Well, anyway, 3, good number.
Without changing the object declaration above, change the C color to purple.
Yes.
Not change this.
The what? Where are you reading? Without changing the object declaration, change C color to purple. How? Where's the C? Oh, I see. So, I see.
Dot.
C?
Color 2 equals.
There is no C then.
There is.
There's an ocean.
Okay, fine, ocean. Right. Nobody else pointed that out, Michael. No one.
Well, I mean, they were wrong. Because sea and ocean is a very different thing.
Is it though? Anyway, that has worked. Without changing the CSS file, style the values added from the object. So I can do this in line.
Can you?
I can. Span. Style equals. Let's do background.
Yeah, but you probably can't do this.
Pink.
Can you do it with text content though?
No,
It probably has to be either HTML.
I think so.
And there is like a slash in the last span that's missing. Yeah, but that.
Yeah, that shouldn't.
Yeah, I think that should be alright. So yeah, in HTML.
Style equals.
Oh, hang. There's style equals hot pink. I think you need to remove that hot pink quote before hot pink. Yeah, like that.
I'm not sure. Ah, right. Yeah. Okay. Back in business. Come on. Color. No, that's anyway. Color whites.
So
That did not work.
yeah, now the quote before color needs to be removed. And I also think we need to move this span to oceans, because now the forest is purple.
Well, that wasn't really meant to be linked. It was just to demonstrate how you can do it in
Fair
line.
enough.
Yes, I forgot semicolon. You could put one there.
Yeah.
I actually hate semicolons. I hate them. In style attribute. Oh, in that case, it's not optional. Yes, you are absolutely right. So that should be there. Thank you.
Very good.
Anime fan. Anyway, Michael, the time has come to announce the winner.
Oh yeah, right.
The winner.
That's why we're here. Yes, absolutely. Yeah. So who has actually won? What have they won? They have won $250. Free 1-year subscription.
No,
Oh, $250.
a lifetime subscription.
A lifetime subscription. How awesome is that? Like,
Yes.
you can actually buy that. You cannot buy a
No, you
lifetime
can't.
subscription. You can't subscribe to Scrimba for life, but you can win it.
So that's again. And a one-to-one code review with senior developer Mr. Thumbs, also known as Michael. Yes. So
Oh, I sincerely hope this Mr. Thumb business is not going to pick up.
it is.
Or someone is not going to clip me saying this.
Yes.
Post on Twitter.
So we will now find a random number from all of the entries. Random. Come on now. Random number. I'm checking my spreadsheet
4.
to find out
Hold on.
how many entries there are.
Random number generator. Boom, boom. Oh, random number generator. Toon, toon, toon.
And there are 1, 1, 1. 7.
Really?
Yep.
In a whole week, we have like over 1,000 submissions.
Indeed.
That's amazing.
Yes. Now,
Go on.
actually, I won't.
Why?
Because instead I will do today's day 5 winner, which is out of 172, and this person will win a 1-year subscription. This is not the grand prize. This
Okay,
is
so this is a 1-year subscription. Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Now then, 82.
82.
I will now
82.
scroll through
Toon, toon,
the
toon,
unending spreadsheet and find the winner of today's 1-year subscription
That
prize.
I mean, that subscription. But you said unending spreadsheet, but it's got 72.
172.
172
Yes,
entries. I'm
checking the entry and it's looking all good. I'm now checking that nobody's spamming, and they're not, which means the person who has won day 5 of the Scrimper Challenge Week, and therefore not the grand prize, but a 1-year Scrimper Pro subscription. They called it day 4 in the tweet, but it is day 5. I've checked. And that, can you see that? No.
Yeah. Now we can.
Rachel! Yay!
Congratulations!
Rachel, I will tweet you later.
Rach Core 1.
Yes, you
Rachel.
have won 1 year of Scrimper Pro. But it's now time for the grand prize winner. So now, I will put in to here, not here, 1, 1, 1, 7.
So that's from everyone.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah. 403.
I thought that was going to be 404 then.
That was so close.
But it's not 404, it's 403. So now, let's find out who has won.
That's a big spreadsheet too now, so.
It is. And then I have to check that it's a submission that actually works. Yes.
Anyway, well, coffee break.
It's looking good. Can you stop the
Well, now there are 2 music playing.
They're not spam. And
No, that's good, yeah.
their submission is looking good. What do you think?
Oh yeah, look at that. Yes.
Exactly how we did it.
Yes, that is exactly how we
So
do it.
I can now reveal that the grand prize winner is Hingo Darmic! Yay!
Hey, congrats, Darmic.
Yes.
And yeah, what was the challenge? Ooh, Earth Poem Challenge. That's there
Here
you go.
it is. The one we just did.
Way!
Brilliant work, Hingo Darmic. Yes, you have won those amazing prizes. I will tweet you soon,
Congrats.
tell you how to claim them.
Yeah, and who's Darmic? Help you get better web dev, self-taught web developer like everyone else, CSS artist, gamer, anime lover. Well, there you go. Congrats.
Combination.
Yes, and yeah, do reach out. Well, Leanne basically will pop you to me over Discord, and then we'll obviously walk you through all of that stuff.
Correct.
That's one. Congrats.
As Illa says, a lot of great solutions to admire and learn from.
Mm.
Yes, that's a good point. If you want to check them out, the picks of the day,
Yes.
you can find them here. More will be added soon. And of course, you can check out the hashtag. Yes. Did you announce the day 4 winner? The day 4 winner has been announced on Scrimba's Twitter page. The day 5 winner
Was just announced.
says that they're a day 4
Wow.
in the tweet.
It's a reusable cup, which is day 5.
Yes, and it came from day 5. So,
Yeah.
all good. Yes.
Go.
Thank you. 403 the code there. Yes, that's true.
Yes, forbidden. Yes.
I want a yearly subscription. Ooh, great news. I'm happy already.
Way!
I didn't win, but I'll try next time. You do that. Yes, we will be back soon with another challenge week.
Yes. When is
This
that?
reminds me, well, we don't reveal when they're going to be.
Ooh.
Actually, I can get to it from here. There is a little survey if you would like to let me know what you thought of Challenge Week, if you thought it was good, if you thought it sucked, if you have any other thoughts at all about anything. You can let me know right here in this form. When will you update the React course to 18? Does that mean version 18 of React?
Yes. I think it just recently, like not long ago, it was updated to 18. Or maybe it was. I don't know. I kind of lost track of how many versions there are.
Yeah, as with everything, I say, watch this space. Yes, Challenge
paintball.
Week was worth it. Hope there is more. Yes,
Yes.
absolutely. Already filled out the form. Thank you very
Whoa.
much. Very exciting.
I mean, I do
stuff.
show thumbs up very often, don't I?
Thumbs are good.
Yeah. I never realised that, but there we go.
Congratulations, all the winners, says Flatshow.
Hey.
Totally, 100%. Amazing, congratulations. We will soon be back with another coding bonanza. We will be coding something soon here on YouTube. So if
Yes.
you would like to join us, please hit subscribe.
Yes. somewhere there, maybe. Yeah, somewhere there. Oh yeah, and don't forget to hit the like and or dislike, whatever you prefer.
Yes, we can't see dislikes anymore, so I mean you can, but not easily. Yes. Oh, that's all. Any closing thoughts for the weekend, Michael?
Oh no, enjoy your weekend, and we'll see you next week.
Well, we won't.
Oh no, yeah, not next week.
Because we're away next week, but we will see you again.
Yeah, and the week after that, we might be away as well.
Yes.
Well, in that case, we'll see you in a few weeks.
Absolutely.
Hey.
Thank you for coming along. Have a wonderful weekend. And most importantly, keep coding.
Yes.